I'm really impressed with the M12 fuel right angle impact wrench. I've been using a pneumatic version for about 5 or 6 years and it's replaced it. It's quick, easy to grab, and get the job done.
With the braking torque, it gets the job done faster.
The M12 fuel right angle impact wrench had a lot more power than I expected. You don't have any air hoses tripping you up, much more mobility, and it's got plenty of power to remove whatever bolts that I've tried to take out with it.
My favorite thing on the right angle impact is its power to size ratio. It's a really powerful unit in a small package, and I know it can get the job done I need it to do.
It's great because you can get it into tight spots when you have energized conductors. It's a benefit.
It's really compact, and its main purpose is to get into a tight spot.
You're not looking for extensions, you're not trying to use different adapters. You can get in there and get the job done quicker.
The mode control is great because it'll take it down without stripping anything. I love the bolt removal mode because it puts full power on it, but once the fastener loosens, the tool will slow down automatically.
The auto shut-off keeps you from over-torquing. It gets you right within hand tight.
I didn't think there would anything ever come out like this. Very glad it has though.
The ability to get into hard-to-reach places with the power I need.